If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When you archive a company file, you create a read-only copy of the company file that is useful for reporting. You cannot change the data in an archive copy of a company file. This makes archive copies excellent for sharing with other users who only need the data for reporting. To archive a company file in Sage 50 Accounting, select File, Archive Company from the menu bar to open the Archive Company dialog box. Sage 50 creates a default archive company file name for you within the Archive Name field, and you can change it if desired. Then, click the Archive button in this dialog box to start the archive process. Click the Finish button to close the window when the archive process completes. The archive copies are saved into the Archives subfolder of your Company Files folder. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.